Every teacher of clarinet and saxophone is familiar with the nightmare of dealing with scales and arpeggios. Some even hope that by ignoring them, they can make them go away. The solution is a proper methodical approach to learning them. Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios from plansinmusic.com is a step-by-step course of worksheets along with tutorial videos. 48 lessons for clarinet and 44 for saxophone lead the student through every step of the process, from the very earliest stages to grade 8 and beyond. You can get them individually or in bundles for each grade. We can't take the hard work out of learning scales, but we can take the anguish out of exam preparation. Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios, lessons for clarinet and for saxophone, are available for download from www.plansinmusic.com. Check out the website now and download the free Teacher's Handbook.